Hi, Andrew here. Welcome to another episode of Black Country Preppers. Today, I'm doing a video on my everyday carry, otherwise known as my E.D.C. Well, I usually carry this probably 6.5 days out of the 7. Let's get started. Right here, I've got my tape measure. Use for measuring, obviously. Then, what I usually have in my wallet, a £5 note. And this multi-tool, bottle opener, saw, can opener, and some other bits and bobs I'm not even quite sure what they are. And then, because I do a lot of travelling, always carry at least one protein bar on me. Because sometimes I ain't got a chance to eat, so I always carry a protein bar on me. My standing knife, lovely one. He said this was given to me by a friend. He just got a brand new one and he gave me this because I've always admired it. Lovely lad. Then my keys. On my keys I carry a striker. Also carry a lighter, but since I don't smoke that usually goes missing. So on the keys I carry a striker. In here I have some chocolate and a bit of tinder on the other side. Made a video on how to make chocolate, so you can check that out if you like. On this key I've got a bottle opener, cutter, nail remover, screwdriver. So that's pretty handy. Also, another bottle opener. That's on there. 2.5 meters of paracord. I use that quite a lot to tie things down on my car, or even just to keep things together. Very handy. 101 uses. Pair of gloves. I always carry gloves. Do a lot of carrying, probably go through a pair of gloves, one pair in every 2 weeks. Probably one of the most useful things you can have. And this mini survival kit was actually given to me by John. This just sits in the top pocket. A little bit of soap, a mini compass, 2 wire, paracord, first aid kit, fishing line, hooks, scalpel, glow in the dark rod, flint, and a condom. Obviously the condom's for collecting water. A lot of useful stuff there. On a survival whistle. So John gave me that for Christmas 2013, if I remember. Sorry about that, I just got a message and my phone shut off. So I was up to this bit. Pen, pad, writing pad, pencils. I always carry 2 pencils with me. And then a writing pad. If you don't know when you'll need to write directions down or little bits of information. Very important. Makes you look very professional. And the last piece, which is the most important, earphones. When you can just use these just to drift off while you're listening to music. Escape reality for a few minutes. A lifesaver really. Without these, I probably would have gone insane long ago. Well, that's my everyday carry. Please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.